Hi, it's Aman. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to use a digital cutter to cut honeycomb board in V shape. Honeycomb board is a lightweight and strong material that is often used for packaging and display applications. With a digital cutter, you can easily cut honeycomb board into any shape or size you need. Digital cutter is a great way to cut honeycomb board, comparing the traditional cutting way like bed saw, jigsaws, and hot wire cutters. Digital cutters are precise, versatile, easy to cut complex shapes, and relatively fast.
那个1.5的，1.5的可以搞快一点呗。
礼拜1给你来得及不？
If you're looking for a way to cut honey board into any shape or size you need, if you're looking for a more precise cutting or looking for a cutter can speed up your production, a digital cutter is a perfect tool for the job.